Sup guys, it's me Jimmy. So here's the LG V20 Pro. I just got a very good deal for a new LG V20. So here we go. Let me open it. How to open it? From here, I think so. Yeah. So here we. Oh no, the phone is falling down. I'm sorry. Okay. This is gonna be the worst unboxing ever. Okay, let me put the phone aside and let me put this thing inside. Maybe I need to sell the phone later. So this is the USB-C cable, this is the charger, and I think so these are the earbuds. Yeah, these are the earbuds, as you can see. Amazingly beautiful new earbuds. So before enough with that, let me just take out the phone. Amazingly beautiful LG V20 Pro, who can deny it? Let me just peel off this one. Okay, here we go. Amazingly phone. I've just got like fingerprint. Is the battery inside? Okay, because I was buying from the shop. Yeah, they already put the battery inside. Awesome. So let me turn it on. How to? Oh yeah, from here. Let me just. So the first impression is the build quality. This thing is built like metal, full metal, very beautiful in the hands. Literally don't need to throw a case on this phone. The phone itself is very beautiful in your hand. I'm just getting a lot of fingerprint, to be honest with you. I don't know why. But under that, here's my Xiaomi Mi Mix 5G. You can see. Here we go. Come on. Okay. Let me just connect it to the hot spot. Okay, so here's the phone. So firstly, the build quality again is amazing even in 2019. The good thing is that LG V20 I can customize whatever I like. Display, second screen, more. Okay, show more. What's there? Okay, second screen, display side, mini view, display. Let me see. Display. Okay, display. Home screen theme. Let me just connect with the Wi-Fi. Okay, second screen I wanna change it. Okay, awesome. Mi Mix. Okay, let me just connect it with the Mi Mix phone. So it's just trying to connect. What the hell happened? Okay, so already connected. More. Short time. I wanna customize this thing. I know you can do it. I don't want this one. Setting. There we go. Home screen. Okay, home screen. Grid, let me make the grid smaller, it's better. Okay, home screen. Second screen. I don't know why the hell I just can't edit the second screen. I have no idea. Okay, signature. Yeah, here. Finally, here you need to go to signature. How idiot I can be, to be honest with you. For example, like you can hear right, Jimmy a, for example, like Jimmy a Geek. Amazing phone, to be honest with you. Okay, the first character signature J can be used as lock screen code signature or later. Okay, let me see. Jimmy a Geek, awesome. Awesome. Okay, journal. Okay, amazing. Touch. Let me see. Wow, I'm gonna go to touch. TUC. Okay, home touch button. Hide touch button. Hide home touch button. Okay, it seems good. Touch sound. Vibrate on tap. Okay. So the good thing is that he have a very high quality DAC built in. Hi-Fi DAC. So first I'm gonna show you the video quality. Okay. 4K main tribute. I was testing in the shop. I'm gonna show you the video quality. It can play like 1440p, about 1080p. Is the bat brightness full? I don't want auto. You can even see the time while playing the video. Let me turn on the volume. I mean, the display is amazing. I mean, overall the phone is just amazing, to be honest with you. There's nothing I can complain about it. It has nearly everything you want in this phone. Okay, go to literally everything it have. It have a professional HD recorder. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. This is the recording on the LG V20 and let's play. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. This is the recording on the LG V20. So to give you a better idea, let me do it again. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the same time. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. This is the recording testing. So you need to be the judge how good I'm sounding. Start with why. It doesn't really matter how hard you try. Okay, first let me play the recording of this one. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. This is the recording testing. So you need to be the judge how good I'm sounding. Start with why. It doesn't really matter how hard you try. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. This is the recording testing. So you need to be the judge how good I'm sounding. Start with why. It doesn't really matter how hard you try. I will give the recording to the LG V20, to be honest with you. Personally, I just prefer this phone. Whatever web browsing, I mean, like OpenGS Marina. You can go to desktop version. I think I need to go to setting much better because I want to use the second screen for time. Display second screen. Show the main screen on. Turn off. Okay, turn on, show when screen off, more, show time while, show the time while the phone in middle. Okay, 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 second screen. Select it, show, this will show on the second screen when the displays of okay. Signature off. Okay, show, show. Anyway, you have got the idea. So overall I can easily recommend this phone, to be honest with you. It's an amazing phone, I will say. Yeah, but here is the camera images. As you can see, the phone camera is quite good, the video quality is also quite good. I can easily recommend that. You just can't go wrong with it. Again I'm repeating, you just can't go wrong with it. It was me, G-Magic. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي توبة واغفر ذنوبي فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم إلهي لست للفردوس أهلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي توبة واغفر ذنوبي فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم Tuhanku, aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu, tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu. Dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku, ampunkanlah dosaku. Sesungguhnya Engkaulah pengampun dosa-dosa besar. Tuhanku, aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu, tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung.
The video on the LG V20 regular camera 4K unit will judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, can the cameraman show around? Okay, this is the video quality on the ultra wide 4K camera. So can the cameraman show around? Recording on the LG V20 ultra wide 4K. So how good is the video quality, how good is the microphone, and how good is everything. Handling the phone ultra wide lens unit will judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer. Regular primary rear camera, the wide one, not the ultra wide one, the regular camera, how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer and how good is the microphone. I'm just handling the phone and then just trying to walk, but again you need to be the judge. How good is the video quality, how good is the video stabilizer, and how good I am walking. To be honest with you, it seems quite good to my eyes at the end of the day, but again you need to be the judge. I mean, it seems quite good. Okay, let me just cross the road. Yeah, to my eyes, LG V20 regular camera, primary rear camera, how good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality. You need to be the judge, to be honest with you, how good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality. Handling the phone This is the regular camera, primary rear camera. How good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality? Again, you need to be the judge, to be honest with you. This is the ultra wide camera 4K. How good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality? You need to be the judge, to be honest with you. This is the ultra wide camera on the LG V20. You need to be the judge how good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality. You need to be the judge. Currently hand holding, just trying to walk again. You need to be the judge how good is the audio quality and how good is the video quality. You need to be the judge. Recording on the LG V20 wide camera front facing 1080p. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer. Front facing camera, ultra wide. The LG V20, the regular camera front facing. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer.